Hey guys, and welcome back to makeupbyIwan, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a drugstore makeup transformation. So that basically means that this is going to be a cheap and inexpensive makeup look that is hopefully going to look good. If you want to like this video and subscribe to my channel, you can do it right now. But without further ado, we might as well just get started. So for my eyebrows, which is what I do first, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Brow and Liner Cream, which I think is about £6.99, combined with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. So I will see you after I've done my eyebrows. I'm back and I've finished my eyebrows, as you can probably tell. To conceal them, I just used the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Revolution Iconic Vitality palette, which is a dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette. To prime my eyes for the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be again using the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is also a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. The first thing I'm going to do is place this orangey transition shade just above my crease. Now I'm just going to be taking this reddy pink shade here and placing that kind of just below where the transition is. I'm gonna sip on the drink and I'm fucked up. I should know how to I'm gonna catch. I'm just blending that out. Watch she push up against me. Ooh, it's tipsy. I had enough combo. I'm now just gonna pack this darker pinky / red colour back over where I placed this more pinky colour. For 24, I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing. So now I'm gonna be using the Revolution Concealer and Define again, just to basically make a halo eye in the middle of this. Like I'm just going to be setting that with this peachy shade here. Now I'm going to be taking this shimmery pink shade and placing that on top of the concealer. Now I'm going to be blending the red shade more into that to make it a bit less intense. So that's the eyeshadow done, and for once I'm actually really proud of it. I really like the outcome of it. Now it's time for base. I do have a drugstore primer, and that is the Ordinary high-spreadability fluid primer. I used this when I had a more matte foundation because I needed a hydrating primer, but now I use a more dewy foundation that is more hydrating, which means I don't need to use a primer. The drugstore primer I'm using is the CYO Long Lasting Life Proof Foundation. I think this is around £6.50 maybe from Boots. Just for reference, I use a mix of 102 and 103. Baby, go and grab some babies, bring them home. Know the jet's on me, I'ma curb my best for you know. For concealer, I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. So pick up that dress for me, leave the rest on. Too much combo, 20. I'm just going to be lightly powdering my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. 4 hours when you stand next to 24 hours. She left her man out. Now I've powdered my face, I'm also going to be contouring with the same Wet n Wild palette. That is my contour all done, and now it's time for highlight. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using a mix of both the True Gold Pearl Lights highlighter and the Wet n Wild highlighter. So that is highlighter all done, and now it is time for lipstick. For lipstick, I'm going to be using one of my favourites from the drugstore, which is the Revolution Soph X lipstick in the shade Cake. The last step to this drugstore makeup transformation is mascara. The mascara I'm going to be using is the Mascara Revolution. So I have now put mascara and eyelashes on. These eyelashes are just from Primark. They are the PS Beauty Luxury Foaming Fake Lashes in the style Bossin. So that is what they look like. They are obviously not the best lashes, like they're very inexpensive lashes, but that is this look done. So we have come to the end of this video, and I sincerely hope you have enjoyed it and it has been somewhat informative. And all the items on my face are from the drugstore and probably cost less than £10. All the products used will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, comment video ideas down below, turn post notifications on, follow me on Instagram, it'll be here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.